everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to unbox the anti-allergy vacuum cleaner. I think everyone in my house suffers from dust allergies at the minute. Itchy eyes, we start sneezing, coughing, watery eyes as well. Sometimes we even have red eyes, but all of this are just like symptoms of allergies, especially dust allergies. So I thought to get the anti-allergy vacuum cleaner, and that's what I'm going to unbox here in this video for you. If this is the first time of checking out my channel, hello and welcome. I hope you will stick around. Please like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to check out my new video. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this now. If you didn't know already, the anti-allergy vacuum cleaner is one of the UK's most reliable vacuum cleaners. I used to have the Henry original and that one was so good. Reliable product. It's got advanced HEPA filtration. It's suitable for the relief of pet allergies, dust allergies. It's used for specialist cleaning. It reduces exposure to allergens, and also it has allergy-free emptying. So yeah, it's a really lovely product and I couldn't wait to try it out. So in the box we just have a few flyers here talking about the Pneumatic International brand. Okay, and in this bag contains a few brushes. So we've got this brush here, we also have this one, so using the manual, you can watch me assemble this. Show you the tires. As you can see, these are the tires, and this is the plug, the on and off button. I've got the on and off button. This part shows a red light when the vacuum cleaner is on. This part shows a red light. This is for easy carriage, and yeah, this one was already on it. I heard some people's one you have to stick it on, but mine is already there, so I don't need to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to use the manual and assemble this for you guys to see. You can slide it into this corner so that your Henry can stand on its own like this. Okay, you can slide it down and your Henry can stand on its own like this. It's brilliant, isn't it? It's a really brilliant thing. And you can also store your accessories, like for instance this one. Oh, now I've seen the use of this thing. So you can attach these two together like this, and you can store it in here So if you look closely, you'll see there's an attachment here. You can put this here so that all of your gadgets are together in one place. You can attach these two together like this, and you can put it in here as well. So this is good, this is brilliant. This is everything for the assembly of the Henry Allergy vacuum cleaner. What I'm going to do now is to add a bag in. To add a bag, you've got to bring this bit out, and it will come out like this. There's a bag already installed for me. Well, let me show you, everything inside. So there's this basket here. You can even wash this part if you want to wash it, or you can change it. And there's a bag already inside. Okay, you have to always use this bag. You can get them on Amazon if you want to buy. But yeah, all of the dust and dirt goes into this bag from this hole here. It's very easy to plug in, okay? And when it's full, it will swell up. This bag is going to swell up when it is full, and then you can replace it for another bag like this. Right, so let's keep this back, and I'm going to try this out now. Hoover, or vacuum rather, and let you guys know how it goes. So this one, I'm going to turn it. Okay, so it's gone in now. And then the next thing is, this is how short it looks when you take this out. So yeah, I think I like it a bit shorter. So in here, put this to slide like this, and this one goes in here. This one goes like that. Ta-da! So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed, the assembly, testing. So if you haven't already, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly, and I would love to have you join the family. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!